matrix A is what? A, B, C, D. Now this is scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication. That means A plus D should be multiplied with A, with B, with C and with D. So therefore A plus D of A is equal to A of A plus D, B of A plus D, C of A plus D and D of A plus D. Okay, right? Yes. Now this is equal to A into A square plus A into D, AD. B into A, AB plus BD. Next, C into A, AC plus CD. Next, D into A, AD plus D square. This is A plus D of E. Okay? Yes. Next, BC minus AD into I. So this is BC minus AD into I means identity matrix 1 0 0 1. So therefore BC minus AD into I will be BC minus AD into 1 is BC minus AD. BC minus AD into 0 is 0. Then I will get BC minus AD. Right? Yes. Now, what we are supposed to do is, now we have to show that A square minus A plus D into A minus BC minus AD into I is a null matrix. What is A square we got? What is A square we got? We got A square as A square plus BC, AB plus BD, next AC plus CD, BC plus D square, minus, because minus sign is there, minus. What is AD? What is A plus D into matrix A? That is A square plus AD, okay, AB plus BD, AC plus CD, AD plus D square. Next is minus of, we have BC minus AD into identity matrix. That is BC minus AD 0 0, BC minus AD. Yes, please copy down up to this. Please copy down. Next, this in between the matrix there is a minus sign. That means you need to do the subtraction of matrix. That means A square plus BC minus corresponding element. For this one, the corresponding element is A square plus AD minus A square plus AD minus BC minus AD. Next, for this one, AD plus BD minus AD plus BD minus 0. Right? Similarly for this one, AC plus CD minus of AC plus CD minus of 0. Minus of 0. I hope AC plus BD is right. Next, this one. For this, the corresponding element is D, and further this one. So, BC minus AD, BC plus D square. For this, the corresponding element is minus of AD plus D square minus of BC minus AD. Okay, now I will remove this one. Now this is A square plus BC minus A square, minus into plus minus AD minus BC minus into minus plus AD. So AD plus BD negative. Otherwise, if you want, you can write AD plus BD minus AD minus BD minus 0. No need. If you cancel, these two will become 0 directly. Yes. Now AC plus CD minus AC minus CD minus 0. Or directly you can cancel it. Right. So BC plus D square minus AD minus B square minus BC plus AD. Right? Positive A square, negative A square. If you cancel, it will become 0. We are not simplifying, we are not dividing it. We are subtracting, therefore it will become 0. If you divide, it will become 1. We are subtracting, hence it is 0. Positive BC, negative BC. Positive AD, negative AD, you will get 0. Positive AD, negative AD, positive BC, BD and BD, again you will get 0. Positive AC, negative AC, positive CD, negative CD will give you 0. So BC positive, BC negative. D positive, D square positive, D square negative. AD negative, AD positive will give you 0. Hence this is nothing but null matrix. So therefore, the last question will be homework for you. I hope you have the textbook. You can refer it. And hereby the exercise 1.2 of matrix and determinants. That too, multiplication of matrix is over. You try even example problems also. And every chapter example problems are very important. They will give you an idea how to do the problems. So in the next class, we'll start the determinants. Okay, please follow. This is the lengthy chapter. It is very important chapter. Okay, and if I am not wrong, this chapter will carry 5 plus 6 plus 2 and plus 1. That means 5 plus 6, 11, 12, 13, 14 marks chapter for the second year commerce basic math students. So this is a lengthy chapter. You need to follow. This is easy as well as lengthy also. Yes, thank you. In the next class, we'll start determinants. Okay, thank you for all.